In the quiet of the night, sleep eludes me. Underneath the stars, memories flood my heart. With every whisper